Again, they're not racing each other, they are racing against the clock. This is only qualifying. When the red light goes green, they'll be in two. That'll be a 5-second penalty for jumping on the iron outlaw to Brian and Excalibur. Also a free pass with official time of the inning for the first round of Monster Truck Racing. Going head to head against Bigfoot. Where's the Patriot fan?
Just give me that back.
Where's my Bigfoot fan? Andrew Beckham in the Patriot. Long in Bigfoot. This is now your elite eight. We're here with now eliminated down the floor and into our final two later on this evening. Where's the Patriot man? He's going head to head against Dinosaur. Terrific attack! A huge shout out to Escarosa and Rocket Fire with thank you for Jerry shot you, second generation driver, dressed in attack, Andrew Beckham and the Patriot. It is elimination, so your winner is... It was close in the turn and even closer in the finish line. Your winner, Stakes Line! Come on, baby! Very late. We're Bluff, it's gotta feel nice.
You know, it is nice. It's my first year being here. You know, Jimmy told me, he said, you go in there and win some racing. He goes, make them proud. And you know what? This is for everybody who's here tonight. And the show ain't over.
Oh, it's not over by a long shot. You put on a great performance last night in freestyle, but we've got that coming up next.